Alright, hello everybody. Gonna put some gas in the Mustang. I just filled her up nice and fresh. Here, come over here, kiddo. This car's been sitting for 2 years. It has not started in 2 years. I went out and bought a new battery. And I want to hopefully get her fired up here within the next, before this month is over. Alright, let's try this first. Make sure it doesn't leak on me. If it does, then I'll have to go to plan B. Yep, it's already leaking. Alright.
Oh, great.
Before I make a big mess, I'm just gonna do this.
Oh, shoot.
This is not the ideal way to do this, but it's a step forward.
That's okay, we can clean it up. If you pour faster, it probably won't drip.
I can't. It's going to go everywhere. The funnel can only handle so much at a time.
I love that smell.
I think I'm going to have to get a new gas can. I don't want to have to do this again.
Yeah.
This gas is hitting my hand. This gas is freaking cold.
And it's getting everywhere.
Yeah, at least it's not getting on the car. Just the gas cap.
It's almost making its way to the tire. Is that bad if it gets on the tire?
Yeah, it'll be alright. Almost there. Almost. That. Well, I got it on some of the gas cap. Cap's still in good shape. That'll be alright. Probably do this another 2-3 times before I start her up.
That's not gonna burn your hand, is it?
No, because I'm gonna wash my hands next when I'm done with this.
Alright. To start, we got some.
Here, come over here, kiddo.
Alright.
Well, that wasn't too bad. Lost maybe, I don't know, about a quarter cup of gas, if that. Alright, well that's it for now, guys. See you next time.
Like and subscribe. Bye.